Okay, so let's take a look at the sign up sheet tracker here in Google Appsheet. So thing to do here, click on create, then database, new database. So I'll be renaming this one from default to MyDB. I will also add new table, and here I will get rid of unwanted columns. I will add one. Let's give it a name and text. Then I will give it a name, type phone. Then there is also email. Choose the type or simply use text if you want. Then we have date, which can be from date, time, date. Finally, I will be using notes for generic data. I will also use name as the label for that table, and I will remove the default label column. Then finally, I'll be renaming the table to say sign up sheet. And I will save this. If you want, you can remove this unwanted default table, which is table 1. Click delete table, which should delete the table. Right now you have this tabular structure here. What you can do with it is basically you will be going to dashboard and then click on create, then click app, then start with existing data. Here I will name this sign up sheet tracker. So how many people signed up to particular set of event, you can have that. So you can use it in human resource or education or other. And I will go for data source. Now here you have like Appsheet database where you created this table within database. So I will be using that table. Click create app. And now you will have that app loaded. Right. Now what we can do, we can click for views, and here within view I will name this sign up sheet, have it in tabular view. So table has view type. You can remove the sort by etc options. Right now save this and have it in desktop view. So it should show you something like this. So you will have to manually populate this. So let's see, person's name, then phone number, and right, finally you can save this form. Like this you can populate with new entries. So basically this is your sign up sheet within Google Appsheet.